Hey guys, Snacks here with another script by DevStar Scripts. This one's called Shops Creator. Let's just get right into it so I can show you the admin panel and show you what the admin panel does. First of all, we're going to do slash shops creator. It's going to show you every single shop that is currently in your server right here. It's going to show you the name, the locations, whether or not it's a pet or just a cord that you interact with. It's going to show you the items. It's going to let you add the items. It's going to let you serially import them or bulk import. It's going to let you do cash or bank or cash. It's going to let you add splits to jobs where they could share the revenue split with. It's going to let you assign owners to owned stores by players. It's going to give you allowed job permissions where you can set the shop's job role so nobody else can access it, so it's not public. Transaction page is basically showing you all the transactions that have been made inside the server. So let's get to it and show you how this all works. So as you can see here, we have all the stores right here. For example, this is the 24/7 store. Shows you all the items in here. As you can see, I only have a water in there. If I go here and I click on store and I want to import something, let's say a burger. Boom. Price, if you leave it at 0, well, unfilled, it's going to be left at 0. If the stock is left blank, it's going to be unlimited. All this stuff is pretty self-explanatory and optional down here. Let's just say we want the burger to be $10. We want to put it under food, the category food. I'm going to save the item. Live preview should look like this. Let's go into here, and here is the burger. That's pretty much how that works. Of course, there's a little bit more to it. If you wanted to bulk import an item, you could choose a category. Boom. You literally search whatever you want to put in there. Let's say I want to add a bat. What else? Sprunk. Let's add a sprunk. Let's put this all under general. Import 2 items. Go back here. It should be in the shop now. Check it out. Remember, I left them both at 0, so it's going to show 0, I do believe. Actually, it was 10, my bad. 10. See, as you can see there, it's all unlimited. Now let's show you how to actually add a split to the shop so it goes to the society fund that it's routed to, if that makes sense. So let's say 24/7 store wants to share their revenue with the police. So we're gonna go here. Let's just do 100%. Save split. We're just gonna do cash. Just save. We're gonna go here and we're gonna buy. We're gonna buy all this shit right here. Boom. Check out. Okay. So check transfer over. And as you could see, it did. So I just purchased 4 items for $10. So that's all working. Now let me show you some cool features with the advanced player-owned shops. Let's go over the ownership tab in the admin panel here. First, what we're gonna have to do if we want to create a player-owned shop, all we are going to have to do is this. We're gonna name this test. We're gonna name this DevStar. We're gonna name this Quality Scripts. Quality Scripts. Save changes. Now we're gonna add a location. Say you want this guy smoking, or scenario you want him fucking smoking. We want a blip. Let's make it pink. And let's save this. Let's put him in this back corner over here so he's not bugging anybody else. Just press enter. As you can see here, there is absolutely not a fucking single thing in here. Here's where the fun begins. Here we go. No, that's not it. That's the wrong tab. Let's go here and assign a player to own the shop. Boom. Here's my player ID. We'll save owner. We're going to go back to the ownership tab and set a boss menu. This is where the stuff gets pretty cool. Boss menu set a stash. Stash is now set. As you can see, there is 0 things in this inventory. Now let's go back to the shops creator. Let's go back to, shop selected. Let's go here, add an item, single item. Let's just do water for testing purposes. As you can see, admins don't set the prices or the amount of stock that's in the stores. And I'll show you why if it's a player-owned shop. Let's save the item. That one's allowed. Boom. Cool. Remember, we saved the water. It's in the shop, right? Let's open shop. Oopsie, it's out of stock. Okay, right? So now, let's open up the management. Let's open up the storage. Cool. That's nothing in it, right? Let's give myself item 1 water. Give myself 20. Let's put 20 waters, 26 waters in there, okay? Boom. Now, there's 20 waters at $0 in the shop. 26 waters. Now here we go. This is where the fun begins. I'm gonna open up the shop. We're gonna go to prices. Let's say we want our water to be $100. We're gonna click save, refresh. We're gonna go back here. $100. Cool. Now, let's check out these other tabs right here. We got obviously the overview, the prices, and the roles. Prices, you've already seen that tab. Roles is to add players nearby that are able to control the stash and withdraw, all that good stuff. Now, let's do this. Oops. Let's say if I wanted to make it so the player-owned store is an item trade only, right? Let's say I wanted to buy it with Sprunk, right? Sprunk, boom. Save payments. Cool. Do I have a Sprunk in my pocket? I do happen to have one, but it's not enough. Give item 1 Sprunk. Okay, I gave myself 20 Sprunks. That's not enough either. Because I set the water at 100. Okay, cool. See how it says times 100 and not money? That's when you know it's going to be an item trade right there. So basically, we're going to do this, check out, and we're going to buy 1 water for 100 Sprunk. You guys are probably wondering where the item went. Right? Where the item went that they bought the item from. It actually goes straight to the stash. So if you buy with the dirty money or an item trade, it's going to go to the stash. Let me show you. Oops. Let me show you dirty money now. Save item. Okay, boom. Give item 1 black. Cool. Alright, cool. Here we go. See how it says dirty money now? Let's buy a water. Boom. Took 100 dirty money from me. Now let's go back here. Put the money in the stash. Now, let's just do regular old money. Shops creator, boom. Cash bank, save. Boom. Here. Buy it, check out, boom. Now if you come over here to the management panel, you're gonna see, everything that's been bought, your withdrawable amount. If you want to withdraw 50, just withdraw 50. Boom. Say I want to withdraw it all. Should be withdrawn on the 50. It tells you how much you have left in your bank. All that's, well, it's not a bank, but it's basically your overview of what your player-owned shop is doing. That's pretty much it for the player-owned shops.